If the band's going, again, from a 1 to a 4 chord, I'll play a 2 minor, and then I make the 1 a version of a dominant 7th. I'm going to use a 13th, and then go to the 4. So I make that kind of move. And then that's the same 2-5-1. It's not the same chords, but it's the same move musically. And jazz is comprised. I mean, it's just full of 2-5-1 moves. So anyway, so if the band's going from E to A, you can play B minor, and then you can play E 13th, and then you go to your 4 chords.